Hello everyone. The main goal of this project is to design an automatic greenhouse system which has microcontroller based circuits to monitor and display the real-time values of temperature, humidity, soil moisture and sunlight inside the greenhouse and accordingly controlling the actuators in order to have a required and balanced environment inside it. Here is the demonstration video of our project. Firstly, we come to the circuits. We have 4 sensor circuits. This is our temperature sensor circuit. And for sensing the temperature, we have used LM35 provided by Texas Instruments. And the power supply is given through this 9-volt battery. This is our humidity sensor circuit, for which we are using humidity sensor HSY230B. This is our light sensor circuit and we are using LDR as a light sensor here. This is our soil moisture circuit inside the greenhouse, where we have 2 probes in the soil stuck and the voltage drop across the soil between the probes is displayed on the LCD. Thus, these 4 parameters are measured through these 4 sensor circuits. The outputs from all these sensors go to MSP430 experimental board given by Texas Instruments, and all the 4 parameter outputs are displayed on the LCD, which is built in the microcontroller. We are using this board as a power supply board to provide 5 volt, 12 volt to our sensors and comparator circuits. The controlling output from this MCU is given to the comparator circuit as an input, and the output from these comparators are connected to various 6 volt relays. Thus the different controlling elements are activated. Now we will show you the controlling of these 4 parameters. Firstly, we come to the temperature control. Here we see the current value of temperature at LCD, which is 20 degrees centigrade. As we have said, the minimum temperature in our code is 23 degrees centigrade. So the controlling element heating coil is on. Now it is off as the temperature is reached at 23 degrees centigrade, which is displayed on the LCD here. Same, if we set our temperature reference value 17 degrees centigrade, so our controlling element fan is controlling the temperature. We are using a small fan in our greenhouse model, but in practical scenarios we use large fan which provide instant cooling. To the controlling of humidity parameter. Here we see the current value of relative humidity, which is displayed on LCD, is 55%. It is sensed by the humidity sensor, which is mounted here. As we have set the minimum humidity level 65% in our code, so the controlling element heating rod is on to vaporize the water in the container. Here we can see the fumes coming out from this container to increase the humidity level inside the greenhouse. Now the heating rod is off as the humidity percentage is displayed on LCD is 65%, which is set as because of boiler the humidity reached 65% now. We are changing our reference value to 55% to demonstrate the working of exhaust fan and minimize the vapor content in greenhouse. Here we can see the exhaust fan is on to reduce the water vapor content inside the greenhouse. Now the fan is off as the humidity level is reached 55%. Now we come to the working of light sensor and controlling element. For the control of light amount in the greenhouse, we are using LDR as a sensor. The voltage drop across the LDR is displayed on the LCD, which is 450 millivolt right now. And that is the sufficient light for the plant grow. But as we cover this LDR with a hand, the voltage drop across the LDR is increased up to 4.2 volt around. We need an artificial light source, which is bulb here is on to give sufficient light. When we remove this hand from the LDR, the light amount is sufficient again. So our light controlling element bulb is switched off automatically and the value displayed on the LDR is 4.2 volt, which is shown as on the LCD. Now we are going to demonstrate soil moisture sensing and control. Here the voltage drop between the probes in the soil is displayed on LCD, which is 2.64 volt. This value is greater than the voltage drop between the probes in the wet soil. So we need to decrease the voltage value as to increase the moisture content in the soil to reach up to the wet soil voltage level. So our controlling device water pump is on. As the voltage level is reached to the wet soil voltage range and the voltage value is displayed on LCD, which is 936 millivolt. Thanks to Texas Instruments for giving us this kind of opportunity to realize our idea.